job. Move your fat butt over to the phones for more missions.
Get out.
Two street gangs are holding a meeting in Central Park. The boss wants them all dead. Okay, now nuke the bastards. Ha! You nuked him. Nice one. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Look out for the pigs though. That's it. Kill all the bastards. Just one more left. Nice one. You wiped them all out. Have 100 grand. Head towards the payphones for another assignment.
Ouch.
The boss has just been tipped off that this right-hand man is working for the other side. Rob's just spotted him in the park. Tail him, but be careful not to get spotted. Okay, he's on the move. Follow him, see where he goes, but remember to keep your distance. You idiot! He spotted you! Go to the payphones for more missions. The boss has received a tip-off that one of his rivals is planning to assassinate him, so he wants an escort. Tail his red limo.
Sorry, I need the wheels.
Okay, now tail him. Remember to stay close and be on the lookout for trouble.
Hey, kid, come and help us out. Thanks. Hey, kid, come and help us out. Thanks. Hey, kid.